Good morning, children. Welcome back to Class 1, English, Lesson 9, Pets Day. I hope everyone know what are these pets. Pets are the animals which we keep in our homes. The animals which are kept for company and for pleasure is called as pets. Usually we keep animals such as cat, dog, cow, goat, sheep, etc. as pets. Though the pets are called as usual pets. Today, in this class, we are going to read about unusual pets. They are celebrating Pets Day in the class and they are going to explain about unusual pets which the children like most. They are going to explain the characters of the unusual pets whom they like. It is Pets Day in class 1 today. Which class is celebrating Pets Day? First standard is celebrating Pets Day. Many children talk about pets. Many children are going to talk about their animals. Good morning, says Tina. I have a goldfish. It isn't very big. It swims around in the fish tank. It has gills and fins. I give it fish food. Explanation. Here, class 1 is celebrating Pets Day. And you can see in the picture a girl called Tina. She is talking about unusual pet. Fish is the unusual pet which she is talking about. She is telling that she has a goldfish and she says that it is not very big and she says that it swims around in the fish tank. You can see in the picture a fish tank and a small fish which is swimming inside the fish tank. It has gills. What is the meaning of gills? Gills are the organs with which a fish breathes. Breathing means taking in the air and living bad air. Taking in the good air inside and leaving out the bad air outside to live inside the water. They use these gills and fins. Fin is a part of a body of the fish. What does a girl give to the fish? She gives fish food to the fish. Tina has a goldfish. It is very small. Alok and Deepu talk about their turtle. This is Pillu, our turtle. When Pillu is afraid, he pulls his head into his shell. In this paragraph, two boys are standing in the picture. It is Alok and Deepu. They are going to talk about Pillu. Who is this Pillu? You can see in the picture. Pillu is a turtle. Can you see? Pillu is a turtle. It is an unusual animal or unusual pet which we keep in our houses. What happens when Pillu is afraid? When Pillu is afraid, he pulls his head into his shell. Can you see in the second picture down? It pulls its head into its shell when it is afraid. I have a frog, says Sheena. It has smooth skin. It has strong legs. It can jump quite high. And then Sheena takes out a frog from her pocket, a real frog. Boing! The frog jumps out from Sheena's hand. Everyone screams. In this paragraph, a girl called Sheena says that she is having a pet. What is her pet animal? Frog is a pet animal. And what type of skin does a frog has? It has a smooth. And what type of leg it has? It has strong legs. And how will it jump? It will jump quite high. And what does she do? Sheena takes out a frog from her pocket, a real frog, and shows to the class. Till then, what happens? The frog jumps, boink! The frog jumps out from Sheena's hands. Everyone starts screaming. The children in the star class started to scream. Why? Because the frog jumped away from the hands of Sheena. Boink, boink. The frog jumps around the class. Boink, boink, boink. It jumps on the chairs. It goes under the tables. Sheena tries to catch it, but it moves very fast. She looks for it everywhere, but cannot find it. Sheena is very sad. Finally, she goes back to her desk. And what does she see there? Her little frog peeping out from her bag. In this paragraph, we can see that Sheena has missed her frog. The frog jumped away from her hands and it jumps around in the classroom. Why it jumps around in the classroom? As soon as a frog jumps from Sheena's hand, the children in the class were scared. They started to shout. As the children started to shout, the frog was also scared. It jumped on the chairs, it went under the table, it started to hide everywhere. Sheena tries to catch it out, but she could not catch the frog. It moves very fast. She looks for it everywhere. The girl started to search for the turtle everywhere, but she cannot find the turtle. Now she is very sad. Finally, what happened? Finally, she couldn't catch the frog, or she couldn't find the frog inside the class. Slowly, she started to go back to her desk. As she went back to her desk, what did she see? She saw the little frog. Where is the little frog? It is peeping out from her bag. It went and sat inside Sheena's bag, and it was slowly looking outside from the bag. Is Sheena coming closer to the frog or what? At last, Sheena found her frog. I hope all have understood the story, children. The story was about unusual pets. Read the lesson. Thank you.